What's going on, everybody? Checking out a lead I got yesterday. Let's see. This thing ugly too. Yo! What a snake. God damn. Ooh. Huh? God damn, what? Some tight rooms? Oh no, ain't my type of deal. I just flew.
No. She could have that. I wouldn't take her if she get it though.
Oh, them rooms big, man.
What that one right?
What?
What was that?
That who?
Probably was that.
True. Guess we like a master bed. I mean, king size bed. It's not too bad. God damn. Oh boy, she got to give me this house.
You have to get these?
It's not bad, but it needs some work.
I don't think nobody left. I don't see how.
She said she wanted to just move up. They forgot this shit. This is a big room.
Shit, nah.
People live nasty, man.
They probably did that before they left.
It was mad.
But you had salt.
It's not bad though. That's a room, boy. Huh?
Two and a half bedroom. 2 bed, 3 bedroom.
That's a smaller room. I think it's a 3 bedroom. 2 bed. That was a bathroom when you opened it up?
That was a closet.
Think right when you walk in there.
The people that was in there left it like that.
How long they stayed?
They stayed 3 months because they never paid their rent and when they sent them
They never paid not 1 month? Oh damn. Oh yeah, that's bad. Hello.
Where I been calling you this morning?
My bad. Huh?
Y'all been inside? Shit, I walked to that motherfucker called a full of snakes. Oh, y'all got the money flipping. Go for it, shit.
Make it look nice.
Yeah.
The lady be coming out here?
The white lady, she got her number. She don't want that, but it's a $100 deposit, I think. $500 rent. As is. You gotta
Like
fish,
that?
You gotta fish your own stuff.
Oh,
yeah.
she must do it.
It's rent to own too.
Oh, it's rent to own.
It's rent to own.
Oh, she down bad for
And then, I
that.
think it's as is. You gotta fish your own stuff. All that. By the time you get through fishing this shit, them flows and shit, you done bought the motherfucking house. Go ahead and jump on this motherfucker if you want to. They let us sign, call them.
Yeah.
Shit. Yeah. You wanna live there?
Nah, I'm gonna just buy it. Buy it and rent.
Oh, okay.
You heard what I told you? Run through.
Oh, y'all buy houses and rent them out. Oh, okay.
Make them look good, you know. That look bad.
Oh, okay.
That's the worst house right here.
Wow.
That's down all right.
Y'all weren't going down.
Somebody live there right now?
Mm-mm.
Nobody live there? Who on that?
That's a family house.
So it's just been sitting there for years?
I want to sell that one.
Well, he gonna buy that one.
Yeah.
They're like in a nursing home and stuff.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. I ain't gonna say it's perfect like that, but
They ain't selling it.
No?
It's too much. It's too much confusion with the family.
oh, all right, yeah. Probably got. We're at Lowe's right now. I have to buy 5 windows for a house. Just got on Section 8, and they tried. Then when they inspected, they tried to open the windows. They wasn't opening. So we tried to open them. Well, my handyman went over there, tried to open them. Wouldn't open. Some of, like 2 of the windows are kind of rotten, so we're just gonna change all the windows. So these are the windows I'm probably going with right here. Stay tuned to see how it look when it's finished. What up, what up? Just made a little special delivery Sunday night. Saints just lost. So, you know, working. When you working on projects and you have contractors, make sure you always buy your own materials, because contractors, you can't trust them. So this is the materials I just bought. 2x6s right here. Got some 1x6s. Some casings to go around the windows when they finish. And some 2x4s. That's to frame the windows in. There's the windows right there. We bought that yesterday. That's where the windows going. See, they cut the hole out already. Looks good. Windows in. So they should finish up tomorrow. But again, like I said, once you get in this business of rehabbing houses and stuff like that, make sure you always buy your own materials. And after a while, you're gonna know how much materials, how much wood is needed for the certain project that you're doing. But anyway, I know this is a long video. Thank y'all for staying this long. If you stayed this long, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.